In this video, you'll learn how to sync Shopify orders to Airtable automatically, so you don't have to copy and paste order details ever again. We'll use an automation platform like Zapier or Make.com, and by the end, you'll have a simple workflow that sends every new Shopify order straight into your Airtable base. To get started, open your browser and head over to either Zapier or Make.com. Both tools do essentially the same thing. They connect apps and move data between them automatically. If you already use one of these platforms, stick with the one you're familiar with. If not, Zapier is often a bit more beginner-friendly, while Make.com can be more flexible for complex setups. Log into your account or create a free one if you haven't done that yet. Once you're in, create a new automation workflow. In Zapier, this is usually called a zap, and in Make.com, it's called a scenario. But the idea is the same. You're going to define a trigger, which is the event that starts everything, and an action, which is what happens next. Give your workflow a clear name, like Shopify orders to Airtable, so you can easily find it later. Now set up your trigger. Choose Shopify as the trigger app. You'll be prompted to pick a specific trigger event, and in this case, you want something like new order. This tells the automation platform to watch your Shopify store, and every time a new order comes in, it will kick off the workflow. If you see extra options like new paid order or order fulfilled, choose the one that best matches when you want the data to be sent to Airtable. Next, choose Airtable as the action app. This is where your order data will end up. For the action event, select something like Create Record. That means every time Shopify reports a new order, the automation will create a new row in your Airtable base. Make sure you already have an Airtable base and table set up with fields ready for things like customer name, email, order number, total amount, and any other details you care about. At this point, you'll need to connect both accounts. First, connect your Shopify store by following the prompts. You may be asked to log in to Shopify and approve access. Then connect your Airtable account. Usually, this involves either logging in or providing an API key, depending on the platform. Take your time here and make sure you're connecting the correct Shopify store and the correct Airtable workspace. With both apps connected, you can now map Shopify order details to Airtable fields. This is where you tell the automation exactly what information goes where. For example, map the Shopify order ID to your order ID field, the customer's full name to your customer name field, and the total price to your order total field. If you track dates, statuses, or line items, match those to the appropriate fields as well. It's worth carefully checking each mapping so your Airtable records are clean and consistent. When everything looks good, run a test of the automation. Most platforms let you pull in a recent Shopify order and send it to Airtable as a sample. Check your Airtable base to confirm that a new record appears and verify that all the fields look correct. If something's off, go back and adjust your mappings or settings. Finally, activate or turn on the automation. From this point on, every new order in Shopify will automatically create a record in Airtable, keeping your data up to date without any manual work.